Okay, really quick video on the DEWALT impact drill. This is my favorite drill. This is the only drill that I use. I don't feel it's necessary for me to use any other drill. Reason being is because I can go ahead and use it for anything. So my particular drill came with this bag. This one is 2 years old. I use it all the time for anything. And it also came with this additional little case that carries, of course, your bits and drivers. So I've got a section here for any of my actual drill bits. And then this one here, which will go ahead and actually, take the, carry the other adapters. So anyway, this is the additional tool that came with it. This is just basically an extender, which if you pull this back, you're able to remove this head here, but you have to actually pull it back. You can see it kind of moves there, and it actually releases the actual head. Really hard to do one-handed, but anyway, this is my actual drill. This can be used for any right-handed or left-handed person. It does have a rubber grip here, so it's not, gonna fall out of your hand. It does have a little bit of weight to it, which is actually really nice because I like the feel of it being very sturdy and solid. That's kind of what it reminds me of, is something that's gonna be really solid. So it's got your forwards and your backwards here, your actual trigger here, and then it has some lights so that when you are drilling into something, it'll actually go ahead and show you what it is that you're drilling into. It does use the hexagon type of bit, and I just want to go ahead and show you what happens when you put one in. When you actually go ahead and you put it in, again, really difficult to use one-handed, you can see I kind of pulled that forward a little bit, and what it does is it'll help it to go ahead and actually lock into place, slide and lock into place. It's not necessary, but if I was trying to remove this particular bit, then I would basically go ahead and pull this forward and then pull the bit out. Can't do it one-handed, so I'm not going to be able to show that to you. Oh wait, let me try it this way. Haha, there we go. Okay, so that's basically how you go ahead and you remove it, and then putting it back in, you can see it just kind of slides in there. This is a 20-volt battery, gives you a long charging time. I'm able to go ahead and actually use this on certain projects, and I don't really have to worry about losing battery on it, like not very quickly. Let me put it that way. In order to remove the battery, because this is cordless, you actually push down on this button, and then this battery actually slides out. Again, kind of hard to do one-handed, but I'll definitely try. Yeah, not going to happen. Okay, so, but that's basically how you go ahead and take it off. Now, I do have an extra charging port here that we go ahead and use if we're needing to go ahead and have both batteries. So let's say we are going out to a piece of property and we don't have access to electricity. At least I have a backup battery with me at all times. But basically what's going to happen is I'm going to push down on the button, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. On the side, when you put into the part, you go ahead and you put it in and you snap it into place. And when it does, it will go ahead and illuminate and tell you that it's actually charging. So it does have a guide there to tell you that if the light is blinking, it's charging. If it is solid, it's completely charged. And then if both lights are blinking, that's telling you that your battery is either too hot or too cold, and it will not do anything whatsoever. So the charger itself must be plugged into the wall. Again, we have two just as a backup for whatever reason it may be. So just wanted to go ahead and show you that DEWALT impact drill. Again, my favorite and one that I carry in my car on a pretty regular basis, just in case, because you never know.